Hey guys, Brian Horton, owner, educator, and trader at BK Trading Academy. Now we're going to be analyzing USDCAD. I want you guys to take a look at it. Let me know what you think about this analysis because I'm going to be trading this right now. If you want to trade it with me, awesome. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you comment to let me know if you agree with this or if you have any questions. So let's go ahead and get right into it. For those who've been following us for a while, already know that we love to start on the higher time frame. We typically start on the daily, maybe the weekly time frame, because we want to compare where price is currently at against where all of the rest of the price action is, right? So it gives us, let us know what's going on, if we're in an uptrend or downtrend. So I can already see that I am in an uptrend. So typically I like to mark up my chart with a trend line here. Right now, I can grab it a little bit further, but I like to start from where price had made that correction right here. And then I can easily identify I'm in an uptrend, right? So another thing I like to do is copy or clone my trend line. And I like to put it on the other side. Trapping price is essential, guys. If you trap price, then you can pretty much predict where price is going and maybe even trade breakouts. So I'm trapping price in this uptrend channel, and I can see that price has rested right here where this resistance zone is, okay? So here's my resistance zone, here's my support zone. And if I look left for clues, this resistance zone, we can see that it has rested at that area before. So we see that price shot here, and it shot to the downside. We can see multiple wicks and candles here resting on the top of this now resistance zone where it was previously support. So that's my current resistance zone here. So what is price going to do now? So I'm going to zoom in a bit. Another thing we like to say is that wicks tells us a story. So we've been saying this for years. If you see a wick, a long wick, we know that price is going to continue into that direction for some time. Now, where will it stop? Well, let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm going to move down to the 4-hour time frame because I want to dissect exactly what's going on. So that long wick that I showed you on the daily is consistent of these 4-hour candles pushing to the downside, right? So here's my support zone here. And the reason why it's a support zone, and an easy way to identify it, is that when you see price hit a certain area and then it shoots to the opposite side. And oftentimes you will see multiple candles resting on that area as well. All right, so here's my support zone. And as you can see, if I get my measuring tool from where price is currently at to the support zone, that's over 200 pips right here, right? You may not feel comfortable trading that long. That can take weeks to happen. So now we're going to find minor support zones and minor resistance zones. This is a minor support zone right here where you see long wicks respecting here. If I bring it over here, now it will support at this area, a support at this area again. We see multiple wicks bouncing off of that. So you can actually intraday trade if you don't want to wait and swing trade it all the way to this level here. That's the purpose of drilling down to a lower time frame, so you can see these minor levels for shorter term trading. All right, so if I grab my measuring tool from here to this support zone, that's about 54 pips, right? So as I drill down to a lower time frame, I don't plan on staying in the trade for too long, or I'm trying to find a precise entry and exit if I'm drilling down to a lower time frame. All right, if I go to the 1-hour time frame or even the 30-minute time frame, now I'm going to try to find some smaller support zones that I think price is going to be bouncing off of. So I can go ahead and grab my rectangle tool here, and I can see that this was a support zone right here, right? It bounced off of this area right here multiple times. If I bring it over more, this long wick shows us that this was a support zone as well. So where price is currently at to here, that's about 37 pips. So you can see as you go lower and lower in your time frame, now you're planning on being in a trade for a shorter amount of times, but you're collecting smaller pips. Overall, my directional bias will be a downtrend, even though it's currently in an uptrend, because I believe that it is starting to reverse into a downtrend. Now, we're still in an uptrend, so you still want to take caution, but I've done this a number of times to realize when a trend may be ending. Either or, you want to make sure you risk a small percent of your lot size. We always tell our students to risk no more than 1 to 2% of their account size so that they can live to trade another day. So this is what I mean. If I go out to the weekly, I like to see price action. All this is here, these candles, all this is just telling us where price has been, what's important to the market movers, like our banks, our hedge funds, those who move the market and they're putting billions and billions of dollars in the market every day. what's interesting to them. Okay. These candles represents price and it is important to them. So as I look to see where we're at, this is where we're at, where price is currently at right here. I am looking here at all of this price action. So from right below where price is, look at all of this price action, right? Now, would you agree with me that there's more data below where current price is than above where current price is? Okay. Now, could price continue to the upside? Absolutely, it can. But if I'm a long-term position trader, I'm interested in getting at the best price. So if price continue to move up, that's completely fine. But if it doesn't, you may miss that opportunity. So I can go ahead and sell, put a lower lot size in, so I don't miss the opportunity. And if it continues to drop and go my way, absolutely, you're good and golden, right? Oftentimes you'll see price head down, shoot back up, head down, shoot back up, and it does something like this. And every time it comes back and pull back, you can put in another entry here. So my overall bias is that the trend will be reversing sometime soon. Now it's still in an uptrend. The trend won't reverse until it breaks the neckline about right here, right? So I want you guys to let me know your thoughts. I'm going to be entering this trade for a long term. I'm going to be also doing day trading overall. If you're going to stay long term, you want to make sure that you have a reasonable size account so that your account can withhold it. You want to make sure you risk no more than 2% of your account size so that you don't blow up your account. And that's completely it. If you're a struggling trader, guys, let me know. We'll be more than happy to help you the best way we can. We have a free Telegram where we provide trade ideas and just simply motivation. Guys, we need motivation as traders because trading can sometimes be hard. If you are a new and struggling trader and you want your handheld, then we have an academy for you guys where we trade live with you guys Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And we even have over 70 videos and content where we actually hold you by your hand from A to Z of trading. So guys, there's no excuses not to be successful, but you want to make sure you find a mentor that aligns with you and your skills and your personality and someone who you can actually relate to. All right, guys, so let me know what you think about my analysis. I want you to drop it in the comments and let me know if you're going to be trading with me. If you have questions or concerns about it, let me know as well, because I'm going to be swing trading this, position trading this, and even intraday trading as well. Overall swing trading on the downside, intraday making sure that I'm trading those pullbacks. So I want you guys to let me know if you like these type of analysis. Let us know in the comments below and let me know what pair you want to see next. Either myself or Kenya will do it for you possibly. We know that trading is lonely, so make sure you join our Telegram below where we give you free trade ideas and then also encouraging words, because we know that trading can be lonely. And like I said, look in the description below if you want your handheld and you need some guidance, because trading is definitely profitable as long as you have your risk management under control, as long as you have a structured trading plan and some guidance, and along with some traders and friends with you to have your back, you can be a successful trader. We will see you in the next trading video, guys, and you have a blessed day.